there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 6th of April 2021. I hope you all had a lovely Easter weekend. That's why we weren't posting too much signals or too many market updates. It was long weekend and public holiday. But we're going to start off the day here with Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. I'm looking to get filled on a long position around 58,560. If we don't get filled on that long position, I'm going to be targeting the next long position to be around about 59,586. If we can take out this previous swing high right here, I would expect a further move and continuation much higher. In fact, I'm actually pointing, well, aiming for 63K to be hit with this next swing. So if we can't get filled down here, we'll see if we can get filled on the next level. We still have some time for this 10-hour, this 4-hour candle. We still have about 2.5 hours to go before this one closes. Perhaps we do get the spike down, get filled on our long position before we see continuation to the upside. I do like this position, this previous level of structure, as you can see. Also creating a new high with volume. Momentum oscillators bullish, agreeing with us. So we definitely want to be buyers in this level. On the daily chart here, we can see we're currently at our previous level of structure here, which was a major level, as you can see looking left. We had resistance way back on the 15th of March, the 18th of March, the 19th, the 20th, the 30th, and we've been testing this as resistance ever since the 15th of March. So if Bitcoin can close above this level on the daily chart today, that's when I'll be looking for a move much higher, even to $65,000 or beyond. Okay, so for Ethereum, on the daily chart here, looking really good, really strong, new all-time high based on volume, coming back, retesting previous levels of structure and continuing. So I would be looking at this one to overall make its way higher. My next target for this one is 2203. We are looking at potentially seeing some bearish divergence playing out or being formed here. So I do think we'll see a short-term, or well, a medium-term pullback if we get rejected from that level. To the same token, on the 4-hour chart, if we come back down to 2089, I'd be looking for that as a buy opportunity. Or if we break above 2154, I'd be looking at that as a buy opportunity, lining up with that daily level. Excuse me, no, it's not. I'm thinking about Bitcoin. Okay, but if we take out this swing high right here, I'd be looking for further continuation on this one. This is actually looking really good, really powerful. I don't think this one wants to play around. I think, but Ethereum's probably lining up to have a decent push to the upside. Bitcoin Cash, we might see a pullback back to this previous little order block right here. Shorter term, back down to around about 625, excuse me. But I'd be looking at that as an opportunity, not necessarily a bad thing. If we do come back lower, these are my levels of structure that I will be paying attention to moving forward. As you can see right here, we have our resistance right here. Previous resistance right here could become future support. And we've got our previous resistance right here looking to become future support. So if I was to look for a buy opportunity on this particular one, I would be looking for it around 625. Like I said, I think that's probably going to be your best bet. Looking to trade this thing up all the way back for a 1 to 2 risk reward would put us back up to around 695. So do we want to take this long position here today? I would rather be patient and wait for a long position here if we can get one, to be 100% honest. But let's see how this one plays out. Perhaps we do get an opportunity to go long on this one, or perhaps we break out to the top here and then we'll have an opportunity to take a long position. Litecoin, kind of the same thing, coming back, testing this previous level of resistance already, and keeping holding it as support. This is also our next level of structure. As you can see, that's our resistance. So this one's fairly simple to play as well. Any kind of break above this level would be looking to go long. Any kind of break below this level, I wouldn't want to short it, but I'd definitely look for a move back down to this previous little liquid zone we had here. Um, Before this pushback down, we can see resistance and a little bit of support, and then those sellers came through. Once we lost this level, we just dumped all the way back down. Now we've pushed straight back through this level, so I think this is going to be a liquid zone in the future to keep an eye on for Litecoin. But this one's looking bullish overall, short term. I would expect it to continue its way onwards and upwards. Chainlink here. Um, Same thing as Bitcoin. I would like to get filled on a long position around 31 spot 634, excuse me. But to the same token, if we do take out this previous high, I do think we'll stand an opportunity to make it back up to 33 spot 33. And if we can break that level, I think we're going to see new all-time highs on this asset. So let's keep an eye on this one. Chainlink looking positive here, looking overall bullish. I wouldn't be surprised if we did see a pullback here for Chainlink as well as Bitcoin. I don't think it's off the cards, off the table that we might see a little bit of a pullback. That's why we're trying to get filled on some long positions here. So I would expect kind of the same thing for Chainlink here. Perhaps a pullback down to 31 spot 57. That would be a very interesting level for me to possibly take some long positions here for Chainlink as well. Around about, what's this level here? Around about $31.16. Okay, Uniswap coming back down. I didn't actually post this trade. This was a personal private trade that I looked at. I didn't actually take it myself. But this previous level of structure clearly holding as support. Right now, our next level of structure is coming in around about 31 spot 70. We can take this level out with some decent volume. We can see the buyers coming through here already. So Uniswap, I believe, a long position around 31 spot 76 is in the cards as well. BNB looking really, really powerful, really strong here. I would be waiting for a pullback if we get one back down to 361, somewhere around there. That's where I would like to go for a long position on this one. I would also be looking for a long position if we break this level of structure up here, continue to the upside. I think, yeah, this one is looking overall very, very bullish as well. And I wouldn't expect this one to turn around anytime soon. Monero, let's just clean the charts here a little bit. Um, we are making some new highs on volume, but we're seeing a decline in volume. I think we're kind of consolidating here. If we can get some kind of fill back down to 258, that's where I would be personally looking to take a long position for this one. Anything higher than that is just playing around, in my opinion. I would wait for a pullback on that one. NEO, let's chat about NEO real quick, making new all-time highs. I would not be interested in buying this one unless we did make it back down to around about 55 spot 61. If it does make it back down there, otherwise, this looks like it's been holding previous support here. Excuse me, holding previous support here. So you could see any of these levels being touched and retested. This is also a major level of resistance, coming in around $60, $61, $62, somewhere around there. So perhaps we do see that pullback down, maybe come and test this previous week high that we can see right here around 56.82. But yeah, I'd be looking for a pullback on this one, and then I would be very bullish on it, looking to buy. Okay, that's it. Short and sweet. Again, Bitcoin looking to get filled on the long position here. See if we can swing this bad boy all the way to the top. Ethereum, if we can take out this previous swing high, I would say we're going to make some new highs. Bitcoin Cash, looking for a pullback here, perhaps a buy opportunity. Litecoin, same thing, looking for a break above or a breakdown so we can buy. Chainlink, looking for a breakdown, but overall continuation to the upside. Uni looking bullish. Everything's looking bullish here. So just stick with the signals. We made some proper money this last two signals. I think we're up just over 7%. So just stick with us. We're gonna have some more trades lining up very, very soon. Again, if Bitcoin does not happen to take out, well, or doesn't fill us on this level here, we can always look for another opportunity around 59,607, as well as, let me just mark this area out for you guys, as well as 60 spot 270, somewhere around this level. It's also a level I'm paying attention to. That was this previous spike high. So let's see, perhaps we might even take a market buy on this one again today if we see it's not going to present us with an opportunity to get filled on our long position. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Trade with proper risk management and be safe. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.